Yo, what's going on? Good morning, everybody. Sinclair Photos here with that boy Ali. We got our bubble tea this morning, cookies and cream. They even put ice cream in there for the boy with the bobas, of course. So while I'm finishing this, we're gonna get not the gay started. we're gonna get the day started, and you can enjoy this beautiful, beautiful drone footage of the Newport coastline, baby. Let's get the day started. Alright, well, we're at the mall now. This is a casual 675 LT parked up. Very nice, I guess. We'll whip around here and there's something else too, I think. Alright, baby. Alright, we're here on Balboa Island, home of Rocky Balboa. Just kidding. Look at the nice harbor we have out in front of us. Very beautiful, beautiful place to be. Weather is fantastic. Lots of people walking. We're gonna go walk around and check out the beautiful scenery here on Balboa Island. Alright, it is that time of the day again. Lunch, this time at Payway. Time for some rice and Mongolian beef, baby. Thank you for holding the door open for me, Alec. Alright guys, we just took a bomb ass nap. I got my Sioux City sarsaparilla. We're gonna head up to LA and try to go to a club and bring in the new year. We don't really know what's gonna happen. We may wind up on the streets of LA, sad and alone tonight, cuddling up under a building, or we may end up in a girl's bed in the morning. So leave your comments down below. Are we gonna fail or are we gonna nail tonight? I'll see you at the club. Alright, so now we're gonna rock, paper, scissors. Best 2 out of 3 for who fills up the gas tank first. Ready? We're gonna rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Fuck.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Fuck me.
Gotcha, boy. So a fun fact for anyone who's here at Christmas time ever, these chandeliers are like 30, 40 grand a piece, and there are about 20 of them all the way down Rodeo Drive in these glass boxes. So there's probably close to $500,000 of chandeliers alone on Rodeo Drive. So if you're ever here, there's a fun fact for you. Alright, we wound up at a New Year's celebration somehow downtown LA. Don't really know what's gonna happen, but there's a lot of food trucks around here. So I'll probably get some delicious food from the food trucks of LA. And then they have the countdown clock on the building right there. So I guess we're just hanging out till New Year's rolls in. Cheesesteak. We've waited for this for like 30 minutes. Let's dig in and see how good it is. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, well, Happy New Year. The clock just changed. We made the digital dash home real quick. Whatever this girl's name was just went to the bathroom, so I had to go get go do this real quick before she comes back for round 2. It was a great day. Hope you have a happy 2018. If you like the video, she's here. Alright, if you like the video, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in the next video.